My name is Mr. Chinoso. In today's class, we'll be looking at weight, introduction to grams and kilograms. These are the two essential units for weight. Now, in today's class, we'll be looking at the definition of weight. Weight is how heavy. When you lift someone up, you say, wow, you have so much weight. So how heavy something is, or how much mass it has. That means mass differs. So when you see your younger one might have less mass than the other person. Mass is not always the same. Now we want to look at the standard unit of weight. The standard unit for weight is kilogram. Now kilogram is written as kg. Whenever you see kg, it means kilogram. K stands for kilo and G stands for gram. So coming together gives what? Kilogram. So the symbol for grams is G and the symbol for kilogram is kg. Please take note of that. Now we want to be looking at some of the weighing scales. Now when you go to some part of, maybe to go to a shopping mall or the market, you see different weighing scales. Now we have number one, which is called spring balance. Before the class, you might have seen some of the strong materials on weighing scales. This is spring balance. It's used to measure or to weigh something. We have bathroom scale. You have it at home, in the hospital. You can take your measurement. You stand on it and you take your measurement. It tells you how much you weigh. Now we have the third one, which is balance beam scale. Balance beam scale looks like a seesaw. It's used to measure two weight. Maybe you want to compare which one is heavier. It is used to measure which one is heavier. So you place the both weights on the balance beam scale. It tells you which one is more heavier. The one that goes down shows that it's more heavier than the one that goes up. So we have number 4, kitchen weighing scale. In your kitchen, you want to cut some part of the beef. You just you weigh the whole of the beef and you just take out some. Maybe you go to the market, you say I want 1 kilo of chicken. They will have to cut it and weigh it. So you see it at the market or in your home. So it's called kitchen weighing scale. The last one, which is 5th, is the crane scale. It is used to weigh heavy objects or loads. So you have these 5 weighing scales on the board. Remember, these are just some. We have more weighing scales, but these are the 5 important ones you keep saying always. Now with this, we go to our metric unit on weight. Metric unit on weight. Now these are the units of weight. Remember, we are looking at grams and kilograms, but I will be emphasizing on other units. So we get used to the other unit. In case you have that or you see that in the picture, you will be surprised and we have more units on weight. Now the first one, we have 10 milligram. Milligram. Remember, milligram is the smallest unit of weight. So we have 10 milligrams make 1 centigram. So we need 10 milligrams to equal 1 centigram. So if it's not up to 10, it's not 1 centigram. It's in below. So we need 10 milligrams to equal 1 centigram. Remember, milligram is written as mg. Whenever you say this, it means milligram. Centigram is written cg. So this means centigram, this is milligram. So sometimes you see them writing this in this form, please don't get confused. Milli is what? M. And G is what? Grams. So milligrams, when they come together, it gives what? Milligrams. So take note of that. We have 10 milligrams make 1 centigram. So you repeat after me as we go through this, and remember, listen carefully. 10 milligrams make 1 centigram. Again, 10 milligrams make 1 centigram. 10 centigrams make 1 decigram. 10 centigrams make 1 decigram. 10 decigrams make 1 gram. 10 decigrams make 1 gram. 100 centigrams make 1 gram. 100 centigrams make 1 gram. 1000 milligrams make 1 gram. 1000 milligrams make 1 gram. 1000 grams make 1 kilogram. 1000 grams make 1 kilogram. 1000 kilograms make 1 ton. So this is the largest or the biggest unit in kilogram, in weight, sorry. This is the biggest unit in weight, and this is the smallest unit in weight. So if we have what is the smallest unit of weight, you say what? It is milligram. What is the biggest unit of weight? It is ton. Ton is written in short form as T in weight, not in other words, subject. Under the topic weight, you see this as ton. So when you see that, it is written as ton. So with this, I believe you can go through this metric unit on weight, and you keep doing it the way you do your what? You recite your multiplication table, recite it always, so you get used to this. Remember to go through this always, and remember that we are looking at kilogram and grams. So we said what? 1000 grams equal to 1 kilogram. 1000 grams equal to 1 kilogram. So 2000 grams is also equal to 2 kilograms. 2000 grams is equal to 2 kilograms. 3000 grams is equal to 3 kilograms. So when you say this, it means this. So 3 is equal to 3000, 2, 2000, 1, 1000, and so forth. 4000 grams is what? 4 kilograms. Good. 5000 grams is what? 5 kilograms. 6000 grams is what? 6 kilograms. Good. 7000 grams is what? 7 kilograms. With this, I believe that you can do your homework on your own. Remember to go through your metric unit on weight. This is it. Recite it always. It's very clear and it's very simple to recite. Just go through this every day, write it out, recite it always. With this, you'll be able to change from kilogram, from grams to kilogram. This from grams to kilograms. I'll see you in your next class. Remember to do your classwork. Thanks for attending. Bye.